Application of special triangle to find area. Question is, find area of equilateral triangle with sides of S units. So let's make one equilateral triangle and then we'll figure out how to find area of this triangle. Let us say this is our equilateral triangle and it has sides of S units. That means each side is S. So that is what is given to us. Now area of a triangle is half base into height. So let's have the height, which will be perpendicular from here, and in equilateral triangle this will be right in the center, right? So that's how it should be. Now from here we know area is equals to half base times height. Now if the sides are S, what is going to be the height? Now that is the question. So how much is this height h equals to? That is what we need to figure out. For that, what we can do is we can sketch our special triangles, right? So special triangle, you remember 60, 30, 90? Let's make that triangle. So in a 60, 30 triangle, this is 60 degrees and we have 90 degrees, that is 30 degrees. The sides are 1, 2 and square root of 3. Square root of 3 is the height of this triangle if the side is 2. Now our side is S, what should be the height? What we can do is, we can again draw the same triangle with changed sides. So I prefer at times to use 60, 30, 40 triangle but with modified sides, which is, let's divide them by 2. What do we get? We get 1 here, half here, and square root of 3 over 2, correct? So that becomes our triangle. So if the side is S, then these will be S times. Do you see that? So in that case, what we get is all the dimensions, correct? So if side is S, then H is equals to how much? So from these ratios, especially from here, if we have S as our side, right? If S is our side, let me make this triangle once again. Then in 60, 30, 90 triangle, our sides will be S times square root 3 over 2 and S over 2, right? So these are the sides. Perfect. So now we can find area of triangle. We know half S is S, the base, which is S, and height for us is equals to S times square root 3 over 2, right? So from here we know height h equals to square root 3 over 2 times S. So now we get square root 3 over 4 S square, and therefore we can write area of an equilateral triangle is equals to square root 3 over 4 S square, right? This is a very important formula to remember and also to see how we got it. So that is a direct application of special triangles, correct? So important thing here is special triangles, we can scale the size. They are similar triangles. You can multiply or divide by the same factor. So if S is your side, then the height is going to be square root 3 divided by 2 times S. And we know base is S, and therefore the area will be half base, which is S times square root 3 over 2. That gives us square root 3 over 4 S square as the area of an equilateral triangle with S as the sides. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.